What's up, traders? Just wanted to make a quick video for you guys. As you can see, the commodity market is shooting up, and that is because of the growing tensions between Russia and Ukraine. For sure, we are seeing the impulsive move in all the commodity market on crude oil, natural gas, gold, and silver. All the commodity markets are going higher. So just wanted to give you a quick update what to expect next. So I'm going to talk technically first. As per my previous video, we've been looking to take long trades once we have a hit of this zone. If you remember my previous video, if you haven't seen that, I'll put the link up there. So now we have a break of this previous high. Looks like market's going to continue its trend upwards. That is one of the confluence we have here. Market has continued its trend upward. This candle has not closed yet. This will close at 7 p.m. UK time on this capital.com data. So once we have this close of this candle above this high, I'm looking from this minor zone, I'm looking gas to hit 5.048. Like I have my buffer zone. If you have seen my previous video, you guys know how I take the entries on with Fibonacci retracement. I draw my buffer zone. Let me change the color quickly. So now we have our buffer zone. And if you can see, our 50% retracement has acted as a resistance right here, as a support right here, as a resistance right here. So adding all that, this 50% retracement will act as a support to give a bounce to a market. So right now, what I normally do, I set up my buy limit order at 50% retracement, which is around 4.654, and it goes down to 4.608. So once we have a hit of this zone, we can take long entries. Again, guys, I can be wrong. So take all the entries on your own risk and make sure you read the disclaimer in the start. So technically, I'm expecting a pullback and market can go up to Fibonacci tool. Our 1618 retracement is 5.045. That's where I can see the market can hit the first level. I can see 5.000, and then the second zone I can see 5.046. I and expect the market to hit this zone right here. So let's talk fundamentals. Russia provide 38 to 39% petroleum, gas, natural gas to Europe. If you remember, I have said that in my previous video. So looking at that, as I've just heard the news that there are some growing tensions between Russia and Ukraine, looking at that and combining the technical factors, I am expecting a bullish move from gas and other commodity. So let me quickly show you on Owanda data as well. All of you are trading on Owanda. So if you see, the market is above now the previous high. Once we have a close of this candle, I see the market to hit 5.063. Obviously, I look at retracement to 50%, which is 4.847, and it goes down to 4.814, from where I look for a long trades. So let's quickly check crude oil. So if you see, we have a big impulsive move, and this is our weekly resistance. Looking at fundamentals, if we have some bad news, if we get some bad news about Ukraine and Russia, then looking at Fibonacci, it's telling us market can go up to 99.47 if it continues to go up. If we have a break of this gray zone, which is a major weekly resistance, which is 97.51, goes down to 96.52. So if we have a break of this zone, then we can expect the market to hit at least 99.27. It can go up to 99.63 for Fibonacci. I look for a retest of 50% retracement, which is 94.56, goes down to 94, from where we can expect another bounce if the market won't continue to move higher from this zone. So looking at gold, gold has broken above the major level of resistance. Same because of this Russian tension, Russian and Ukraine tension. So with that being said, we have a next major resistance right here. So as the market is now above all the fast moving averages, all the EMAs, in that case, I always use my Fibonacci tool. And with that, if this candle closes here above, I expect a bounce from 50% retracement, which is 1920. It can go down to 1915. If we get a pullback, I expect to see a pullback from this zone back to 1970. It can go up to 1970, which is also our level of resistance. So that's all for now, guys. Any questions, buzz me on Instagram. I'll get back to you ASAP. I hope you trade green. Till then, take care.